Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Valorant tag. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go ahead to the browser and you want to write down playvalorant.com. Then you will need to sign in to your account, so you basically just click on play and you will need to sign in to your Riot Games account. And after you will be logged in, you will see this at the top. So you will see your username and here are some settings. So you want to click on settings here. Now they will ask you to log in again, to sign in again. So you want to go ahead and do that. And now you will be logged in here. So what you want to do on account management, you want to be on Riot ID. And as you can see, your Riot ID is right there. So you can go ahead. As you can see, Riot ID can be changed every 90 days and you will be able to change it. This is for me, so I will be able to change it on March. So I cannot show you how, but basically you need to just go ahead and write your tagline right there and change it. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.